Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Crandall. We are going to be talking about adverbs today, which are when, where, and how. Technically, adverbs have a longer meaning. They actually are, if you were to define them, adverbs, put it up here, adverbs tell us about verbs, so blue, verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. In other words, let's go back. Verbs, adjectives, other adverbs. In other words, they tell us how, where, and when people do things. There's also a number of other ways that adverbs describe things, but the ones that this packet is focusing on is when, where, and how. So, for example, let's have Mr. Crandall running from a giant fish that has come up onto land. He's got googly-eyed fish. He's chasing Mr. Crandall somehow. Let's have the water. He's still in the water. So Mr. Crandall is not walking. He's running. And running is a verb. Reminder from previous lessons. What you do is called a verb, 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 verb. What you do is called a verb, 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 verb. So what am I doing? I am running. I am running. Now, if we're going to use our adverbs, the thing they want us to focus on is when, where, and how. How am I running? I am running slowly, right? Because I want to get eaten? No, I am running quickly. Quickly. That is showing how I am running. You can also say that I am running slowly if you want me to get eaten. Hopefully you don't want me to get eaten. You could say he is slowly running. That's an adverb. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. But for today's lesson, the most important part is that they help us know where, when, and how. And that's what we're going to focus on right now. Here we go. Adverbs, where, when, and how. Directions, read the sentence, circle the adverbs that tell when, underline the adverbs that tell where, draw a rectangle around the adverbs that tell how. I think I forgot to tell us what lesson we're on. I hope not. I'll put it at the top of the YouTube video in case I didn't. So it says, draw a rectangle around adverbs. Now remember, what you do is called a verb, 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 verb. So the verb in this sentence, Scott's team came in last. Came is the verb. So what's describing the verb? Last. Last is describing the verb. It's supposed to be red. Now please note, I'm going to erase these, so don't write them yet, because they have a special way they want us to write these. It says, circle the adverbs that tell us when, underline the adverbs that tell us where, draw a rectangle around the adverbs that tell us how. How did they come in? They came in last. Now that actually, I'm debating on that one if it might be Scott's team came in last. No, that's actually when. My apologies. When. It came in when. Right there. When. Next. The girls played inside. Now, is that in? So the verb, this is the verb, played. This is the adjective, inside. So the girls played inside. Inside, will that tell us when, where, or how? It will tell us where. They played inside. Next, the rain fell gently. The verb is fell. The adverb is gently. So gently, well, that's describing the word fell. Does that talk about when, where, or how? It talks about how, so they want us to write a square. Because the rain fell gently. Let's do one more. Notice each one, if it's when, it's a circle. If it's where, it's an underline. If it's how, it's a rectangle. Number 4, he bounced the basketball lightly. So what word is lightly talking about? Is it talking about basketball? The basketball is lightly? No, he's bouncing it lightly. So the verb is bounced, and the adverb is lightly. So what you're going to do is remember this word is talking about this one right here. So how did he bounce the basketball? Did he bounce it how, where, or when? I think I accidentally just gave it away. He didn't bounce it where. Where did he go? He went lightly? No. When did he go? Well, he went around lightly a clock. Nope, that doesn't work either. Got to be how. How. As always, if you have any questions, leave me a message in class tag, or email me, or give me a call. Have a great day, friends. Oh, just in case I forgot, I don't think I did, but this was day 2, week 1, page 3 of our packet.